How to fix the add topic option not showing on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. I'm Atticus, and today I'll show you how to fix the add topic option not showing up on your Instagram Reels. If you're struggling with this issue, don't worry. I've got you covered. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. When you try to upload a reel, you land on the editing screen. Normally, when you scroll down, you'll see options like tag people, add location, rename audio, more options. Inside the More Options menu, the Add Topics feature should be at the top. This allows you to select up to 3 topics, helping Instagram match your content with the right audience. But if you don't see this option, here's how to fix it. Fix 1. Update your Instagram app. One common reason this happens is that your Instagram app is outdated. Here's what to do. Open the App Store, iPhone, or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update. Wait for the update to install, then reopen Instagram and check if the option appears. Fix 2. Offload and reinstall Instagram, iPhone users. If updating didn't work, try this. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Instagram. Tap Offload App. This clears temporary data without deleting your account. Reinstall Instagram and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 3. Feature might be temporarily removed. If the option is still missing, Instagram might have removed it from certain devices or regions temporarily. In this case, you can wait for Instagram's next update. They may restore the feature. Check Instagram's Help Center for announcements. And that's it. If you followed these steps, your add topic option should be back. If not, Instagram might be tweaking the feature behind the scenes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech fixes. See you in the next one. Take care.